right, so today I'm going to show you how to reconcile a checkbook. We have a starting balance of $300 for our person Mark, and we have 3 different scenarios. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write all of our numbers or check numbers to the side, or transaction numbers, I should say. So I'm going to do 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. So the first thing we're going to want to do is write down the date in which the transaction happened. So in our first one says on July 2nd. All right. So I'm going to write 7/2. And it says Mark deposits $30 through PNC Bank ATM. Oh, ATM. So I'm going to go ahead and write PNC ATM. And there's no withdrawal payment. There's nothing being subtracted. We do have some deposit credit that we're doing. We're doing $30, which means we're going to add that to our balance. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my 300, and I get $330. That's how much money I have in the account right now. So now I'm going to go ahead and write down my second scenario. I'm going to put a check mark next to that first one. On July 5th, okay, so 7/5, Mark wrote a check for Weiss for groceries for $57. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write Weiss, because that to me would show me, okay, it's for groceries. The withdrawal amount was $57. There was no deposit amount. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 57 from 30, and I'm going to get 273. So that's how much money Mark has in his account right now after this Weiss transaction. Checkmark did that. So now we are going to look at the last one, which is on July 8th. I'm going to put 7/8. And I'm going to write down Mark withdrew $40 for dinner. Okay. So I'm going to write ATM, parentheses, dinner. He withdrew $40. The reason he did it was because he went to dinner at a cash-only diner. Okay. There was no deposit credit. So I'm going to subtract $40 from that 273 that I have left, and now I'm going to have $233 left. Now, at the end, when you have done all this, you would need to find that new balance. Well, we've been doing that the entire time. So my new balance for Mark in his account is $233. If you have questions, please feel free to ask your teacher.